Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the chapter shares and dividend from the books of the M.L. Agrawal I.C.S.E 2025 edition. That's exercise 3. Exercise 3. Okay. So you just idea about the nominal value, market value, investment, dividend. Idea is clear. The basic concept are clear. I just already discussed the previous video. Sum number 1. Here is the sum number 2. Okay, no problem at all. Just think in your brain. Concept must be clear. There is no need for the remembering any formula. Just you put here. What is the question here? Suppose, what is this here? A company declares 8% dividend. That means, what is the given data? Dividend percent. Dividend percent actually 8%. 8% to the shareholders. If a man receives, this is a total dividend. So total dividend is 2840. This is the rupees. Find the nominal value. You know already the dividend is calculated on the basis of the total nominal value. Total nominal value, that is the annual income. So let's total nominal value is equal to X. So what is the question? 8% of X, that is equal to 2840. No problem. Because you know the dividend is calculated on the nominal value. Okay. If the number of shares is what? The nominal value, suppose 100, 200, 10,000 this. But the total dividend is calculated the total nominal value. What is the total nominal value? Total nominal value is suppose X. So 8% of X, this is the income. That is the total dividend. Correct? From there you calculate X. So 8 by 100 X, that is equal to 2840. So X is equal to 2840 into 100 by 8. So just you multiply and the division. So here is 2840 divided by 8. So 4, 44, 5, 8, 40. Here is 5, 40. That means this is 355 into 100 into 100. So what is 35500? This is the answer. This is the total nominal value. Is clear to you or not? Is clear to you or not? Clear? Okay? No problem at all. There is no need for any remembering formula. Just concept must be clear. This is very important in case of the shares and dividend. I repeatedly say you. A company declares 8% dividend. That means 8% dividend out of 100. And this is the total dividend collect is 2840. That is the total income. So this actually, this is on the basis of the total nominal value. Let the total nominal value is X. So 8% of X is this. So 8 by 100 into this. So X is this. Actually, find the nominal value. That means not nominal value per share. What is the total nominal value? That is the question. That is the question. Actually, inner meaning is 8% dividend. That means actually per share rupees 8. You just calculate number of shares from here also. From here, that is not the question, but number of shares. Number of shares just is 355. Actually, the nominal, each share nominal value is 100. So if you just divide this by 8, one thing is there. If you just divide it by 2, this dividend is 1 per share. What is the number of shares? 2840. This is divided by 3. So 8. This is 8. So this is 8. 24, 4, 44, 40, and this is 40. So number of shares is 355. Number of shares is 355. মানে বেসিক কনসেপ্ট আমি কি বলতে চাইছি actually in case of the shares and dividend basic concept must be clear. Actually the inner meaning is this 8%. That means actually in one share you can just income is 8. So this is the income. So divide by each number of shares you collect. Okay, in this way also you calculate the number of shares also. Okay, and here is the easiest process. Total nominal value is X. Okay, so now the next one. Very easy. Just the given data. You just write the given data. What is the main idea? You idea of the concept of the different investment, market value, and other things. Then you do the sum. Okay, the next sum. A man buys the inner meaning is buys 250. That means number of shares. Number of shares 250. 250 numbers. Okay, 10 rupee each. That means nominal value per share rupees 10 is 10 is the nominal value of per share, each share, not the total nominal value. If you just multiply this 250 into this is the total nominal value. Okay, now at rupees this, that means the market value. Market value is 12 rupees 12.50. Now actually what is the total nominal value? That means total investment in the company. Actually total nominal value, this is 250 number of shares into rupees 10. এটা কিন্তু কোম্পানির ঘরে যাচ্ছে, বাট হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ইনভেস্টমেন্ট? ইনভেস্টমেন্ট ইজ 250 into 12.50. This is the investment. This money is the investment. That means you invest this, but actually in the company you just invest this. Okay, dividend is calculated on this, not this. This is very important. Now dividend percent is 7%. Okay, dividend he received annually. That means so dividend calculate on total nominal value. So not this. Dividend calculate on this. So total dividend or receive dividend annually. This is 7/100 into 250 into 10. This cut. That means 25 into 7. Very easy. 175. So dividend received. Number one, dividend he received annually, this 175. That is actually the income. As for bank, this is the interest. In case of shares and dividend, this is the dividend. Very carefully you just remember, dividend calculate on total nominal value. That means the value actually in your company. কোম্পানিতে কত টাকা গেছে, মার্কেটে তুমি যে টাকা দিয়েই কিনতে পারো, বাট কোম্পানির ঘরে the actual money is entered in the company. this মার্কেট থেকে এটা তুলেছো, এইটার উপর কি হয় অ্যাকচুয়ালি রিটার্ন, পার্সেন্টেজ অফ রিটার্ন অন দ্য ইনভেস্টমেন্ট। তোমার ইনভেস্টমেন্টটা কত, দিস টোটাল ইনভেস্টমেন্ট, দিস টোটাল ইনভেস্টমেন্ট is 250 into 12.50. This is the total investment. এইটা ইনভেস্ট করেছো, দিস ইজ দ্য ইনভেস্টমেন্ট। এরপর হোয়াট ইজ ইউর ইনকাম? দিস ইজ দ্য ইনকাম, দিস ইজ 175 rupees, দিস ইজ দ্য ইনকাম। মানে this one you invest in the company, actually invest this, from the market value you just invest this, and for that investment you what is your income? Annual income is 175. what is the percentage you return out of 100 কত? so 1 এ কত হবে? 175 by 250 into 12.5. okay, and out of 100 into this. okay, is clear? so this is cut, this is cut. okay, 5 এটা কত দিয়ে যাবে? 7. this is 7 into this, এটা কত? 12.5. this into 10. okay, if you just cut with the 5, this is 2, 5 means 25, this is 2, this is 5. that is actually 7 to the 14, 28/5%. so what is this actually? 28/5%. so actually 28/5, 5 5 25, 3 6. so percentage of return is 5.6%. 5.6%. What is the percentage return of his investment? 5.6%. 5.6%. The last video I just say, when the market value is greater than the nominal value, percentage return is decreased. What is the dividend rate? Is a 7%. Here is the percentage or return is 5.6 because you just bought the share in the premium. Okay, it's clear to you? Very easy thing. Don't to be panic. Don't to be need for any remembering the formula. The concept is very important thing in case of the shares and dividend. Okay, just give it data. Number of shares this, nominal value this, market value this. So total nominal value, number of shares, these are এক একটা শেয়ারের জন্য lost 250 share. What is the total nominal value? That is actually invest in the company. But market, what is the investment? This is 250 to this. But dividend is calculated on the total nominal value. What is the dividend? This is the actual income. But this actual income in actually the what you invest. Actually you invest these rupees. That is the income. So 1 এর উপর কত, 100 এর উপর কত, that is the percentage of return. Okay, so that's what this. Okay, now the next sum, very interesting concept, must be clear. Shares and dividend is very interesting chapters for you. Okay, now the next sum. Write this. Find the market price. Find the market price of 5% of 100 shares when a person gets a dividend rupees 65 by investing these. Find the market price 5% of rupees 100 share. Very interesting thing. Very interesting thing. Okay. Find the market price of 5% of rupees 100 share. That means here, what is this given? Find the market price 5%. The dividend percent is rupees 5% of rupees, that is the nominal value or face value rupees 100. Market value টা বার করতে বলেছে. That is asking when a person gets a dividend, total dividend rupees 65 by investing. Total investment is 1430. This is the total investment. If you just find out the number of shares, কতগুলো শেয়ার আমি কিনেছি এই টাকা দিয়ে, মার্কেট ভ্যালু পেয়ে যাব. So what is your target? Target is find out the number of shares. Okay, find the market price of rupees 5% dividend of rupees. So 5% dividend, that means when you invest in a company rupees 100, you get a dividend rupees 5 per share. So here is this is very important. This is the NV. The face value is 100. So actually 5% dividend, that means what do you mean by this? In one share you get rupees 5 as a dividend, or when you invest rupees 100, percentage rupees 100 in a company, you get one day rupees 5 is a dividend. Okay, so is a nominal value is 100. So এখানে 5 rupees 5 is income when nominal value 100 or one share. So 1 এর জন্য this is 1 by 5, 65 you get. Very interesting. So 65 by 5, that means actually the 13 number of shares you bought. এইখানটা কিন্তু ভালো করে বোঝার চেষ্টা. The very important thing is this. এটা এভাবেও করা যায়, জাস্ট এখান থেকে বুঝে নিতে হবে on this basis, because the dividend is 5% dividend. 5% means out of 100 is 5. If you invest rupees 100 in a company, you get a dividend rupees 5 per share. And here is already the nominal value is also 100. Okay, so দুটো process, the two ways there. The nominal value is 100 also. So if you get rupees 5 as a income, the ইনভেস্টমেন্ট ইন দ্য কোম্পানি ইজ 100, এটা দিয়েও হয়। আমি এটা দিয়ে নাম্বার অফ শেয়ার 30 মার্ক করেছি, এটা দিয়েও হবে। রুপিস 5 when invest nominal value 100, 100 by 5, so this is 65, so total nominal value get, okay, this is 1300 is a total nominal value, total nominal value. This is 1300 is a total nominal value, and you know the nominal value is 100, so number of shares is 1300 by 100, this also 30. So the two way you calculate the number of shares. One is one share, you just get rupees 5 for one share, 65 rupees you get, or on this 13 share, okay. Or in this way, invest in a company, total nominal value is 100, so if you get 5 when nominal value is 100, when you get 65, what is the total nominal value? 1300, so 1300 is the total nominal value, number of shares per share, nominal value 100, so 1300 by 100 you get the number of shares 30. Now 13 share you get. Now what is this total investment? Total investment is, so market value কত হবে? That means actually the market value of 13 share is this. So market value of each share 1430 divided by 13. So 1430, very easy the concept. This is 1, 13, this is 3, 13, so 0. So that means market value is 110. Market value of each share is 110. Market value of each share is 110. Very interesting. তুমি যেদিক দিয়ে খুশি এটা নিতে পারো, there is no need for any formula. Typical in case of trigonometry, in case of AP and GP, in case of other things, the coordinate geometry, you formula, if you just forget the formula, these are complicated. But if you just forget the formula here, no problem at all, you just calculate the total conception, okay. So clear, this is the way. So the last sum for today is clear. You get rupees 5 for one share, you get 65, how many shares? 65 by 5, okay, clear, 13 number of shares. So if you just get 13 number of shares divided by total investment, you get the market value, okay, clear to you. Now the next and the last sum for today, clear. Here Gavin buys 50 shares, so number of shares, this is the given data, number of shares 50 numbers, no problem. Of face value rupees 100, face value or NV, nominal value, this is 100, but available, that is the market value, 100 available at rupees, that means market থেকে কিনছে এই তিনটে জিনিস থেকে। what is the total information, that means what is the total investment? Total investment is 132 into 100, but the nominal value, now number of shares is 50, so total nominal value 100 into 50, but investment is 132 into 50, okay. Available, what is his investment? Investment means investment, market value কত? What is the market value? 132, and number of shares 50, that is the investment, এটাই তুমি ইনভেস্ট করেছো, no problem at all, no problem at all. তো মাল্টিপ্লাই করো, this is 0, 5 দুগুণে 10 এর 0 3 লাখ, this is 5 to the 10, this is total investment 6600, this is the investment. Per share, what is the market value? Per share is 132, number of shares is 50, what is the total investment in a company? So 132 into this 0, okay, the total investment, first thing is okay. If the dividend is at the percent per annum, what will be the annual income? Dividend calculate of the total nominal value. What is the total nominal value? Total NV, this is 100, this is 50. Total dividend or annual dividend is, this is the total nominal value, and dividend is 7.5%, 7.5%. This is 75 into 5. 2 5. This is 375. Very easy calculation. 375 is the total dividend. Is clear to you or not? Dividend calculate on the total nominal value. Total nominal value. Okay. If the dividend is, what is his income? Annual income. This is the annual income. 375. Is clear. Now, if he wants to increase this annual income by this, how extra share will be got? Here is a very important thing. If he wants to increase his annual income by this, that is the extra, how number of shares he bought? Each and every share he gets, 7.5%. 7.5. Each and every share. Actually, the annual income 7.5% dividend. Percent is dividend. Okay. Because one thing is very important, 7.5%, and here is the nominal value is 100. So very easy to calculate. If you just invest rupees 100, that is the nominal value, that is bought by one share. And if you just brought a one share, you get 7.5 as a dividend. So what is this? 150. So number of shares, only 150 by 7.5. Just you shift this is this 75 3. 75, this is 2. 20 shares. Just 20 shares. এই জায়গাটা ভীষণ কনসেপ্টটাকে কাজে লাগাবে। Here is the nominal value is 100. That means if you just invest rupees 100 in a company, you got a share. And here is 7.5% per annum. 5% out of 100. That means if you invest rupees 100 in a company, you got a share. For that reason, against a share, you extra income is 7.5. Okay, no problem, because the nominal value is 100. So here 150 is the extra income. 7.5 rupees extra income for number of shares. One, if you just purchase one share, the income is increased 7.5. Here is the increase is 150. So what is the number of share you bought? 150 divided by 75. This is 10. So this is 2 to 20 shares. So if he wants to increase the annual income, is rupees 20. How many extra shares will be bought or purchased? 20 numbers of shares. Okay? Okay? Clear? So okay. That's for today. If you just understand, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you, student. Next day I will upload the different types of videos from the shares and dividend. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, student. Thank you. Thank you.